This is the new Switchbot Hub 3. It's an Hub 2 on the steroids with Matter support. In this video we'll see the best new feature of this new product. But before we start, I want to thank Switchbot for sending this product early for review, but I just want to make clear that I'm not sponsored and all the opinions in this video are my own. The new Hub 3 takes everything good on the Hub 2, taking it to the next level. We still have thermo hydro sensor in the cable, IR blaster for control, light sensor and now motion sensor. It's bigger and more robust with black color and different buttons and dials. The Hub 3 gets a nice upgrade with all the display. You can display the temperature and humidity from the built-in sensor in the cable or another Switchbot sensor. You can navigate different accessories and turn on and off or dial. I really love the new dial master, it's satisfying. You can increase temperature or volume or light. There are 4 buttons that can be customized with different scenes, like turn on or off all the air conditioning with one push of a button. It's really cool. Or up and down all the blinds or any complex scene you want. Now it supports up to 30 Matter products from different brands, but I use it mainly to import Switchbot products that don't support Matter to Apple Home. For example, take my old dumb air conditioner. No way to make it smart, right? Wrong! I added it to the Switchbot app. Now you can send a command through the app to the IR blaster of the Hub 3 that will mimic the IR remote blaster and send a signal to the conditioner. With the Hub 3 now I can add it as a Matter device and have it on Apple Home as well as Home Assistant and make it work with any automation I want on Apple Home. Now this device won't come cheap. Let's talk about the price. $119 is a lot, but it's on level with other apps like the Aqara one. In my opinion, you should invest in this device if you heavily invested in the Switchbot ecosystem in general and have other Switchbot products. So this wrap up for today. Let me know what you guys think about this product in the comment section and be sure to like and subscribe, and as always stay tuned on Shades of Tech. Ciao!